Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing. Helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project case study, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas, 2x4s should be here. We ordered 40 2x4s for the framing, which is going to go right here in this area, and for easy entrance. And then we're going to have a hallway right along here. So sheetrock is being done now. I see they're hanging the sheetrock to smooth these walls out. It's looking good. It's coming together. 1252 Nicholas signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.